Back with some more merch. Last time we had Joji, this time we got Blackbear. Obviously a lot less than we had last time. This time it is just one t-shirt, and I don't think there's any like special reason why he released these designs other than it being Black Friday. I think they released like 3 new Blackbear designs, and this one was, or I guess, being Black Friday, they had a huge sale, and this one was only $18.75 for the t-shirt, so I was like, not a bad price at all. A couple more things before we get this open. I have ordered Blackbear merch before, but this was like 4 years ago, maybe like 5 years ago at this point, and the stuff back then was pretty good. I'm kind of interested to see like if they've gone cheaper with the quality since he's gotten bigger. But I know last time I got like some free stickers and stuff. I actually still have the sticker on my laptop. It's still holding up, kind of deteriorated, but it'll be interesting to see what they include. Then also I wanted to mention that I did, like I said, order this on Black Friday. So this was ordered almost a month ago, which isn't too bad for artist merch. Usually it's like way ahead of time, but usually, once again, that is kind of like in preparation or released ahead of an album. So you order the merch and then they're like, oh, we'll make it in like 6 to like 8 weeks or whatever. So a month is definitely not bad. To compare it to the Joji stuff, once again, I think I waited like 2.5 months. I'm not exactly sure. You can go back and watch that video if you guys are curious, but it's here now, not too bad. And with that being said, we will get this open. I'm kind of excited to see it. Like I said, it is a huge print. If you guys aren't aware with like any of the designs, it's just a Bronco design, which just has like a Ford Bronco on the front, driving around with a giant Blackbear spell out. So as far as stickers and stuff goes, nothing like that. And then we have the t-shirt right here. I got it in an XL. That's what I've been doing lately. Someone's texting me, my bad. Move that off screen so it's not distracting you guys. And like I said, here it is. We get the Bronco right there, big front and center, and then you get this like Blackbear spell out with Sharpie going across the top. As far as the screen print goes, it actually feels really nice. It's got like some flex to it. It doesn't feel like you're gonna wash it and it's gonna crack right away. And actually the other Blackbear tee that I have from a couple years back is like a big print of him, and like none of it has cracked or anything, so it's held up really well. The blank feels pretty nice, it's kind of soft, feels like it's also got some sturdiness to it. Doesn't feel like super cheap or anything. But my main disappointment is the graphic itself. Like, yes, this is what was displayed, this graphic, but the size of it is nowhere near what they displayed on their product page. Like, I'll throw a picture of it up right here. The one they had, like, as the example, went all the way, like, it almost looked like it went all the way across the chest, which is why I thought it was so cool. Like, I thought that just like massive spell out would look really cool, but this this is probably, I don't know, a quarter of the size of the one that they had on the website. And yeah, okay, this is an XLT, but even if you print this on like a small, it's still gonna be nowhere near as big as what they kind of had it represented as. Maybe if you printed it on like a toddler's extra small or something, you get that size. But yeah, pretty deceiving, and overall disappointed because of that. But happy or not with the purchase, we will try this on and give you guys a fit review. Alright, so it is, like I said, it's a pretty comfy shirt. It's not too bad. As far as like artist merch goes, I know a lot of people will cheap out on the stuff, but it's not that bad. I feel like there's something poking me. But anyway, it's not that bad. Once again, disappointed in the size. Like a lot of the artist merch, since it's pre-order, it is just like a mock-up and not an actual like product image. Like, nobody made this, then went and took a picture of it, cropped it, and then put it up online. We're just looking at the actual like PNG, or it's not PNG, it's some other type of file, like a vector file that they put on it, and then that's what they use to make the orders. But this one was such a misrepresentation that it's just like really disappointing, because this is a lot different from what I showed you guys before. Like, that spell out should have had it going out to like right here. This graphic would have been just like huge, which I thought was cool. I like the jumbo graphic stuff, so that's kind of why I jumped the gun on this instead of just kind of passing on it. Anyway, how is your Blackbear merch living up to your expectations? Did it come as expected, or do you have these pleasant surprises or not so pleasant surprises, I suppose? As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.